I will go to CDS concept. CDS is a very important concept. SAP is going now with only CDS going forward. We will go to CDS concept. CDS is a very important concept. So we create this is database tables. On the database table, so we'll create a CDS space. This is CDS space. And this CDS space purpose is you can use in the web programs for data query. Data query. This is only one purpose of the CDS space. So other purpose is CDS space can be used for analytical purpose. Purpose where SAP BW team will create the reports on CDS view and generate reports for business analysis. Okay. And other application is purpose. Another application is in the RAP programming module, RESTful ABAP programming model. So this CDS will be used as data source. No, also there is a Fury. Fury means Fury UI5 applications for building the apps. For building the apps, CDS views. CDS views will act as data source. So this is the concept of CDS views. So we'll create a CDS view. CDS views can only be created in Eclipse. not in GUI. But we can see the definition of CDS view in GUI S11 T code. S11 T code. Okay. Let us will build some CDS views practically. Let's go to system. We'll go to Eclipse or Ana Studio. So user ID and password. Right. So package already explained last class, right? We have created already. So how to create a CDS page? Right click, new, other ABAP object, data definition. Click on next. Use CDS view name. Click on next. So by default, it comes the old concept. See define view with this is old concept. So you choose the define view entity here. Click on finish. Okay. This how the CDS view editor looks, where you define the code for the CDS view to extract the data. So to start simple, okay, I will give one table only here from say Mara. From Mara key MATNR as material number. Material type as material type. MATKL as material group. What is the things I'm giving after as What could be the meaning of phrase? This is a keyword. I mean, not keyword. Alias name. Material underscore number. Column name will come as now like this. How do you check? Check syntax here. Activate. Okay. Run as ABAP object. Execution. Run as ABAP application. See this data. See the column headings. Material number, material type, material group, industry sector. So that is the alias name what you have given here. Here. And this CDS view. Mhm. Okay. This CDS view you cannot use. This is CDS entity. The old concept of CDS view you can see in the SE11 as well. So they have removed this pointer. Okay. So that you don't have the SQL view. Now only the CDS view. Now how do you access this in the ABAP program is go to ABAP program. Okay. So you can use this CDS view like select star from CDS view name into table at the rate data ID underscore Mara. Check syntax. Now if you want to display this one, you can display. You can call the method seal demo underscore output. Method name display underscore data. Using this, you can print the data. You don't need to loop at write statement, nothing is required. Then go to here, give ID underscore more. Check syntax, activate. You can put a breakpoint here. Stop, execute. Right? Now the data will come to ID underscore more here. Right here. So this data type and all will define by automatically dynamic. This is the inline declaration. Yeah, now you can display the data. This is the data. So you can also filter the data. For example, you have material type parameters p underscore mtrt type mara mtrt. Check syntax, activate, product selection, activate, execute now. You should give here where condition where material type equal to why this array is coming. Think of why this array is coming.
We didn't declare table, sir.
Mm-hmm.
We have to declare the table, sir. Tables IP or like this.
No. Already internal table is declared here. This one. Here we have taken material type is not MTRT, material underscore type. You should give this name only in the comparison. Fix syntax, activate, execute now. You say finished material. FERT means finished material. You can find out here. FERT. What is FERT here? FERT here. Finished product. Execute. See, now you get only FERT material data types. Why we are giving at symbol here? Line number 11 here. What is the data? Data we are giving. Why we are giving data? Why at I am using there?
What was the question? At data?
Why I am using at symbol here? Why I am using at symbol?
To view the database dictionary?
Hmm?
No.
This is a dynamic declaration, inline declaration. So you are
It's
not
like
in internal table. You are
it's like
declaring.
annotations in CDS views.
Yes, Sudran?
No, nothing.
This is because you are declaring the internal table dynamically. That is the reason you are giving at data. You are not declaring at the beginning. Why at is because this is not part of the database table. Hence, it is required to give the at symbol, host symbol. Here also, this is a variable here. This variable is not part of the database. You are declaring line number 8. Hence, you are giving this in the comparison here. This is the concept. Documentation, you can find out the documentation here also. You go to here, help contents.
Mister, you trying to say something? We can't hear you.
No, no, nothing, nothing.
Oh, okay.
Showing the documentation. This is a good documentation I found. Wait. Just 1 minute. We'll go to different CDS views. Few more CDS views.
Wait, what is it called?
So we'll go to the different CDS views. Now we took only one table. Now we'll join more than one table. Now,
Like the composite view?
which one?
Like the composite view? Like join multiple basic views?
Composite view, yes.
Alright.
Composite view I will tell you later. But what you said is you join multiple CDS views in the composite views. Hello, this is your question, right, Rudra? Hello. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can.
So your question is what is the composite view, right? That is the question, right?
Yeah.
Composite views we create based on the CDS views. Okay, no?
Yeah.
So let us move on with few more examples. CDS views. Right? We'll join two tables now. Say we'll create one more CDS view. New data definition. CDS view. Mara and MARC. CDS view on more than one table. Click on next. Next. Let's choose the CDS view entity here. Click on finish. Now you can join two tables here. Select from Mara as M or A. Inner join MARC as B. A dot MATLR equal to B dot MATLR. Okay. And then key a dot emit header. Okay. As material number key b dot works as plant mtrt as a dot mtrt a dot mtrt as material type. Okay. And a dot may say maybe MBRSH as industry sector. Okay. Then B dot EKGRP as purchasing group. Check syntax. Activate run as ABAP application. Now the data will be based on two tables joined condition here. Same thing you can access in SC38 as well. No? Select star from right the CDS view, new CDS view name. Into table at the rate data IT underscore Mora where material type equal to P underscore MTRT. They'll call this method again here. Right, give here AT underscore Mora underscore MARC. Now the data will come in the program. You combine these two tables at the red symbol. Why this error is coming? Maybe what could be the reason? What could be the reason? Maybe
It's not defined.
the name, right? Column name, material type. Check it the column name here. Material type I have not given.
Yeah,
That is
it's
the
not
reason.
defined.
Mat underscore type. I give this one. I should give mat underscore type. Go to here. Mat underscore type. Check syntax. What is missing here? Dot. Activate. Execute. Give the variant. Not variant, value. Save it. Give as a variant name. So that you don't enter every time. Save it. Execute. Right now, this is the joining of the tables, so MARA and MARC based on the field material type as the input field here. Okay. So you can also use the parameter also here in the CDSV.
I told you. No, done. Sometimes.
You can go to this. I gave this one last class in your attachment. You can go to the different CDSVs here. CDSV with parameters. For example, you can give this CDSV with parameters. You can give here.
Your voice is not coming.
Why is not coming up? No, no is coming. Material type, and then you can give here as MTRT, or you can give P underscore MTRT here. Okay. Here you should give the comparison here, where MTRT is equal to, where MTRT is equal to where you can give here where mat underscore type mat underscore type equal to ampersand parameter hyphen p underscore media. Okay, what the meaning of this one? Why this array is coming? Think of 1 minute. See the other. Think that and why that array is coming. Think of
A dot material.
correct because alias name we are missing.
Wait, what was the
Yes, sir.
answer?
Huh?
What was the answer?
Prefix a because you are a we are giving as alias name. Right? We should compare with
Okay.
a dot mat. No check syntax. Activate. Run as a web application. Right? Run as a web application here. Give material type. The data will come only for APRT here. How to use this in a web program is okay, you should give this one with the we should operate this one. If CDS view with the parameters is there. Think of why this error is coming. See the code. See the code and think of why that error is coming.
the at of the
Hmm?
PMRT is doing it, like the at the rate, and not like remove it or make them both at the rates.
Can you repeat?
So like it says PMRT is unknown, but the at the rate, but it's the same. So either make both of them at the rates, or just make them just PRMAT.
Here in the rate symbol. Huh?
Yeah, I think it's like the at the rate symbol with the that's making it unknown.
No, no. Check it. Line number 8. There is a solution, line number 8.
That it doesn't have a at.
No. Check it, line number 8 and 21 compare. You have a solution. Line number 8.
We haven't defined it
Oh,
with
so we
the
have defined already, but check the spelling. Name.
oh PR. I'm blind.
Right? Yes. Right?
Yep, it says PR.
So it should not be here, PR here. It should be P underscore. See what I have given here. Or you can give, if you want to make confusion, PA, parameters, PA. Now, whatever the value I'll give, that output only will come as a comparison here. Activate, execute. Use the different value here. Semi-finished. Execute. So now you get only, you have only one material number for this one, you got only this one. Or you can choose some other value as well. Waste material. Click on execute. So you don't have a record for ABF. Why? Go to Mara, SC11, contents, right? Material type of ABF. Execute. You don't have records, right? That's why you are not getting ABF. Choose some other value here. Some apparel material. Execute. Don't have record. I give HAW. HAW. You go to here. Material type is HAW. HAW. Click on execute. How many records are there? 42 records are there in HAW. Let us give HAW here. Let's see the records here. It may be more than 42. Why? In Mara table, if I check for HAWA, number of entries, it is coming 42. 42 records. But in our program, it seems more than 42. You can cross check here. Go back. Put the cursor here. And it's good. Execute. Execute. Right? Check it how many records has come here. 97. Why it is more than the table that is available in Mara table? Why it has come? How it might have come?
References, right?
Why it has come more records?
Clear the previous internal.
No. Check the data you can understood. By seeing the data you can understood. Right? For a given material number, you have more than one material with a different plant here. See here code. Same material is repeating here. 0101, but the plant is different. That's why you are getting more than one record. I mean, more than Mara tables. Yeah. This material is repeating, but plant is different. This plant is different. This plant is different. That's the reason.
In this data come from which table, sir?
MARA and MARC table. Combination we are doing here. Join you are doing
Oh, two table.
two tables.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now. Okay, then I'll stop here. Huh? So tomorrow, next class, I'll tell you in the ping. Okay, na? Next two classes, maybe maximum we need.
So do you have a class on Sunday? Because I don't think so I'll be able to come on Sunday. Just saying.
I will tell you.
Okay, that's fine.
But
Your mic cut out.
no, Sunday for me also not possible.